potentially could put people out of business. You know, it's as simple as that.
A dispute between contractors and Collier County could end up costing taxpayers more money. NBC2's Risa Morris is live at the clerk's office with why the county won't pay its bills.
These companies all worked for Collier County during Hurricane Irma. They worked on the lift stations, handling raw sewage, making sure it didn't get into our neighborhoods. But the reason they're all out here today is because they still haven't been paid for their work, and they brought their families to show who this really affects.
For the last 15 years, Mike and Tanya Beebe with Southern Sanitation have saved the day when it comes to sewage in Collier County. After Hurricane Irma, they were the company responsible for stopping this from happening. Raw sewage bubbling up in neighborhoods.
We were there for, I believe, 10 or 11 days straight, around the clock.
Southern Sanitation did $2 million worth of work after the hurricane. They hired nearly 30 companies to help and had 52 pump trucks on the roads. But they haven't been paid for their work, so they can't pay any of those subcontractors.
Their trucks are in the shop, okay? There's people that are possibly losing their trucks. We have paid some people out of our pocket, people that have called us in the verge of tears or in tears, needing some money.
The Collier County Clerk's office was concerned with one invoice, so now they're auditing the company. They won't pay any of the invoices while they do that, despite pleading from Southern Sanitation and their attorney. Southern Sanitation has sent sworn affidavits about that one invoice, and still nothing. They say it's time to take the next step, which could cost you, as taxpayers, even more money.
File suit in circuit court, unfortunately, because that's a long, tedious, expensive proposition.
The Beebes live in Collier County. They're taxpayers here too. They say they'll think twice before they ever work with the county again.
These people came down for us, for Collier County, for you, for everyone that lives here, and they should be taken care of.
We reached out to the Collier County clerk for his side of the story. He did not respond to our email. Southern Sanitation says they're on the verge of filing a lawsuit. Reporting live in Collier County, Risa Morris, NBC2.